ke Kotkhubor ke bala ai kerteng ke Meghalayan kan salong ke waipat ke Kotkhubor ke bansa penmi pajba haka arpui Tarik ke lalingkot aja apuar ya kan ni lapin bena du chief editor baru editor jong kan ni ke Kotkhubor Meghalayan kira itu bagani ke Kotkhubor kin sapathai hakaleng kata ya karep karyang baru ke Rupang ban ai kam ai jam miksamla
ila pen ngistang no du arpui Tarik di pangkar udi chief editor in chief ngadi editor. I think it on three parts: the print, digital, and the portal. No.
Yes.
So
Digital. That's digital.
Yeah.
Yes, we are coming out in both print and there will be all the platforms of the digital segment.
Teka jitu jong ni jong ni ban ni general management kalong ban sekri pai ba ma ki problem ki klan ko por. Min choi lon kumoi mình cho cái lồng những cái đặc mối như demand cái university như demand cái road mình ta làm cái unemployment problem cái mis cái health problem thì semua begini ki hoi kita pai buat gila tangi semua bangin yang dia ben contribute lem nam ta jing pha jing state ki chai mer tinggal ketik de Meghalayan ru kan kapal bar hoi kinong sinong jing Meghalayan gibun ki tribe ni po jela ni ba kitu lah warna bar ko syam kan ni ke jela Meghalayan ke di padan pasal ko mangili shwei ru ki biang ni ki problem thing, the same problem that human race face. They may differ little from here to there. They can puji kalong ban sekri khamtam ye ka puli ka ri ka jeng rio ha kaleng ka health ka economic problem, unemployment problem, education mat kini kaleng ka tourism development kum ta ter tinggi persen bala ban le an kaleng tilada ngin mi ka arfui Tarik la shisngi fa sisu ni atar ko office ni kan dia mentang di tepo tepo yem jong GMC markup jong ka St Peter School hading sekolah te feel free tim semua lai lu ben kli jing kli nangi nomor ni don sipo satu ni kli song itu hoi kli teng semua de ben kli de kli pada kaya je pada mabling yon itu nanti omon odom mo man tei de nama kata-kata mi semua Kapolri men ngomong ipim siang idon sekolah kat hajar mentah approaching 40 lakh men suasar Selong kipsim elektrik na population Selong 25,000 kipsim elektrik long 4,000 families mentah kejing consumption bujur ki demand bujur kan keren men siang minim siang pas matrik kibri wan khot na yeng menteri na suasar wan khot menteri LD club menteri UD club mentah bopli pas me mesti buat kamu mio ngalong member Selong Commerce College Selong College kalau kakam nih kai ki department have screen kawi ka post assistant professor apply ya ars pamot ni kota ni kata fi saya ingin lek na jungi kan ting kadang mi snow kum gi ba riurong ba mangin contribute ya ka statement ka siulam kum mangim sadang red ki ya lam ti ba he mentang kami gede mun ai no lam society mensyong yang dengan society. Atrai mau dipangkarne udon ni yang setengah ni dan lang rainbow color. Ngatang keren bahasa ni dong kam ke export banera bulan. Dibalik experience. Mah great hesitation. Luckily we have got experienced people, young, middle aged and aged people. We share together to contribute. Our experiences will share with the young generation. So we feel that we owe the young generation the knowledge that we have acquired from our earlier old generation. So as Mr. Dipankar said, he's the editor-in-chief of the Meghalayan. I'm the editor of the Meghalayan. So we'll stress, especially in the problems that affect the youth of today. When we achieved Meghalayan, population of 10,11,000. Now, according to projection, is approaching 40 lakhs. People have been educated. Now, earlier when we started Meghalayan, we had no university. NU came into existence on 17 July 1973. Then we get now MLCU, then ICFA University, William Carey University, and so many universities. So we have produced a lot of youths, and the problem is that these youths are unemployed. I'll share with you the feeling of our generation. When we were young, I was just a student. After matric, I was invited to join office, the press. Nowadays, after master degree, even after PhD, very difficult to get job. That's why we try to project the problems of the youth, and we try to have the understanding in formulating policy, vocationalization. Luckily or unluckily, new education policy is coming into effect. We could not have debate because of the COVID 2020. Otherwise, it's good. And we hope with your cooperation to translate to the people, we can achieve what we intend. I used to think earlier that after coming social media or maybe print media will be out of existence.
Absolutely.
But then I realized that people are buying paper now. Even where I stay in Laikor, people buy 3-4 papers. So therefore I feel that we owe this generation a lot and we have to fulfill their aspiration. We may not be able to achieve much, but at least we are trying.
Do something different, not just for the sake of being different, but with some meaning, with some rationale. And we, as the name suggests, we are for the Meghalayans. We aspire to be local, hyper-local if possible. And as the note says, we are actually for the marginalized, for the poor. We'll be giving them a lot of attention, and we'll of course be concentrating as subject-wise all the key indices like education, health, economy, all these things, unemployment, all these important issues that is grappling the state right now. So that is about our mission. And we hope that with all your cooperation, we would be able to embark on a very meaningful journey that at the end of the day would take the Meghalayan into consideration, his welfare, his right to know. We'll be trying to inform him of issues, not so much fluff, but substantial things. Would like to raise their voice and maybe help them to achieve what they want to achieve.